Okay guys, so we're going to be making broccoli, carrot and cabbage fried rice today. Alright, so I already blanched my broccoli in some hot water and cut it up already. Okay, so what we're going to do now, oh, and the rice was cooked yesterday. Okay, so we're going to put a little ghee here in our pot and we're going to saute some onions. Now you could use oil to saute, but I decided that I will use the ghee. Okay, so let's put in our onions. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this to saute for a while. Okay, so my onions have been sauteing for a couple minutes. I'm going to add some seasoning peppers. I have about 3 seasoning peppers that I cut up here. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the veggies now. So we're going to put in the carrots, the cabbage. I also had cut up some broccoli leaves as well. And I also have some currants that I'm adding to this. Alright, I'm not going to add in the broccoli just yet. So because I blanched it, it's already cooked, so I'm not going to add it in just yet. I'm just going to soften the carrots. Okay, so I'm going to have to add a little more coconut oil to this because it feels a little dry. So let me get some coconut oil. So we're just going to fry this up to soften those carrots a little bit, and the broccoli leaves, and the cabbage. I'm also going to sprinkle just a pinch of salt. Not much because I'm using Tamari soy sauce. Tamari soy sauce is not a salty soy sauce though. Alright, so let me just leave this to saute for a while and I'll be back. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add in my broccoli. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my cooked rice. I put turmeric in my rice. So we want to warm this through because remember this rice is cold. Now at this point I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar because we always want to balance salt with sweet. Okay. I'm going to add our Tamari soy sauce. If I had gluten-free dark soy sauce, I would have added that as well. Alright, so let's just mix everything so we can get back all the things that I just added to incorporate into the rice and the vegetables. Mix everybody together. So at this point, guys, you'll taste your rice just for seasoning, okay? But in case you need to add more soy sauce, taste to adjust. Now if you had spring onions at the end, you would add spring onions to this. But this is a good way of incorporating veggies into your meal. Another option would be do an egg as well. But I won't do egg this time around. If I did egg, I would have done that from the beginning. Okay, so at this point, guys, the finishing touches is you will add some sesame oil. So I'm going to turn off my flame. And if I had spring onions, I would have added spring onions at this point as well. Actually, I'll go in my garden. I might have some chive in my garden, but I don't have much that I could add to this.